Hello students, this is question number 11th of IOQM 2025 and 26, and here in this question they are asking that consider a fraction a by b which is not equal to 3 by 4 where a and b are the positive integers with GCD of ab is equal to 1 and b is less than or equal to 15. Now if this fraction is chosen closest to 3 by 4 among all such fractions, then the value of a plus b is. Now as they said that a by b is not been equal to given 3 by 4. And also GCD of AB, this has been given equal to 1 and B is also given less than or equal to 15. Now we are going to consider AB as that, let's say A, we are taking it as something of the format of 3k plus x. And B, we are considering of the format of 4k plus y. And in this case, we can see that x, y, k, all these are integers. And along with that, we can see that 4k plus y, this has been given less than or equal to 15 as b has been mentioned as less than or equal to 15. So, and also this 4x cannot be equal to 3y. So these are the two conditions. Now let's consider m as a fraction that we are taking it as a by b minus 3 by 4. Now a by b minus 3 by 4, over here we have assumed that the value of a and b. So first of all, by taking a LCM as substituting the values of a and b, so I'll be getting this value as 12k plus 4x minus 12k plus 3. All those things are going to divide by 4. Now this is going to be equal to directly 4x minus 3y divided by 4b. Now these conditions will be satisfied if m is minimum. So this is what is been asking. So m, if it is minimum, then in that case we need to consider the value of b as 15. Y value we need to take it as minus 1. X value is going to be equal to minus 1. And the value of k is going to be equal to 4 in this case. So all those things, if I'm going to consider, then we can see the modulus of 4x minus 3y, this is going to be equal to 1 in that case. So if I'm going to assume all such values, the condition is being satisfied. So for these values, I can find the value of a. So the value of a, that is equal to 3k plus x. So 3k means it is 12 minus 1. So that is going to be equal to 11. And b is equal to 4k plus y. So this is 4k means 16 minus 1. So that will be equal to 15. So the ratio a by b, that will come out to be equal to 11 by 15. And hence the value of a plus b, this has to be equal to 26. Therefore 26 has to be the correct answer. But for the first, initially IOQM answer key has been given 61. So that has to be changed. So therefore from our side, the final answer will be equal to 26.